Hello draw.io friends! As your ideas grow, you don't have to worry that your mind map won't be able to keep up. To add new shapes to your mind map, you can hover over a shape, click on the up or down arrows to create a new topic or branch at the same level. Or you can hover and use the left or right key to add a subtopic. Alternatively, you can select the shape, push and hold down the Shift-Alt key, or on a Mac, Shift option. To add a branch to a shape, just add it from the library. Just click and drag it over to one of the blue arrows of the shape and drop it. To continue adding more branches at the same level, just hold Shift and Alt plus one of the arrow keys. Need to replace shapes afterward? No problem. When you're done adding all of the subtopics that you need, drag to select all of the shapes you want to replace, go over to the library and select a new shape. Now, all you have to do is drag it over to the shapes or branches you want to replace and drop it. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time.